Trying to report a damn tornado here. Good goodness.
Dude, this is incredible.
Hi there, this is Trevor, Nicholas, James, Lexi, and Emily. Have you ever noticed how storms around the world are increasing in severity? Well, you can thank climate change for that. According to NASA, climate has been warming over the past 250 years, mainly because of the heavy use of fossil fuels by humans. Every greenhouse gas is increasing in our atmosphere, but the one that gives the most feedback into our environment is water vapor. The increase in water vapor increases temps, which allows for more water vapor to get into the atmosphere. As you can see, it will only continue to get worse. This increase in water vapor adds more fuel into the weather systems, which can lead to bigger and badder tornadoes. Climate change could lead into a longer tornado season in the United States. There's also a 40% chance that these severe storms will occur more often. Climate change is making wet places wetter and dry places drier. Like we explained before, the more water vapor in the air, the stronger the storm. Data shows that over the years, the number of tornadoes each year is trending upwards, as you can see in this graph.
The initial formation of a tornado usually starts with the development of a thunderstorm. This is formed when a cold front moves under a warm front and forces it upwards into the atmosphere, where it gets saturated with moisture and forms clouds. Turns into a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms tend to produce low pressure air, sometimes forming mesocyclones in the thunderstorm itself. Once mesocyclones form, it's got a 50-50 chance of producing a tornado with its downdraft air. And then once the tornadoes are formed, they're scaled in severity of F0 to F5, F5 being the most severe. Tornado season is slowly increasing due to climate change. Heating up of the maritime tropical air mass from the heating of the oceans allows the air mass to stay longer than it normally would and interact with the continental polar air mass and create thunderstorms and potentially tornadoes more readily in the colder months of the year, like February and November. Evidence of this can be seen from the February events in 2012 where tornadoes hit Illinois, and then November 2013 where tornadoes also hit Illinois, and there's estimated around 30 tornadoes that hit, and it was the worst case of November tornadoes for Illinois. So I think if the tornado season gets longer and we have a tornado in the snow, it'll just be a flurry of white and we won't be able to see it, and it'll be the worst thing ever, and yes, bad things will happen.
Closest I ever want to get. Go, 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 go!
That Illinois couple racing to get out of the path of the twisters. In many cities and towns tonight, sweeping views of the destruction. This one from Washington, Illinois, everything gone. In one town, in fact, 50 mobile homes.